Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 1437. Check if all the ones are at least length k places away. The way we'll be approaching this problem is by using a new variable that keeps a track of the index at which we saw a 1 previously. And it's a pretty simple problem, so let's jump right in. Let's call the previous index, let's say previous is equal to -1. Just to start off with, let's get the length of the array, nums.length. Then we have a for loop for int I equals 0, I less than n, I increment, and then if we haven't returned false in the loop, we know that everything is good so far, so we'd return true. If we get out of this loop, okay. If not, while we're in the loop, the first thing we're checking is if I, the element at nums of I is 1, and then we check if previous is not equal to -1, and if so previous minus I minus 1, if it is less than k, then you would return false. Otherwise, you would refresh the value of previous to I. So what we're doing right here is that if you're checking, hey, if the current element is equal to 1, check that the previous element is not equal to 1. That means we have previously seen 1 in the iterations that we have done previously, and we're checking that the length between them, if it is less than k, you just return false. If it is not, you will refresh the value of previous to be I and then move on. So let's quickly compile this and see if it's okay. What is the problem? Oh, so maybe it should be I minus previous minus 1 because I is greater. Yes, okay, so that works as well. Alright, cool. So that was the solution. Let's quickly talk about the time and space complexity. The time complexity of the entire solution is of n, where n is the size of nums, since we're iterating through the entire array in the for loop, and then the space complexity is of 1, since we're not really using any additional data structures to store anything. So that's the solution. If there are any questions about this problem, please let me know in the comments below. If there are any questions on LeetCode that you would like me to solve, also let me know in the comments below. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I would really appreciate that. See you all in the next video. Peace.